Hemp Oil Benefits with source. Benefits: can relieve pain, could reduce anxiety and depression, can alleviate cancer-related symptoms, may reduce acne, might have neuroprotective properties, could benefit heart health. Manitoba Harvest Hemp Oil Review. Description: 720 mg omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acid supplement. Manitoba Harvest hemp seed oil is a rich source of omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acids. It is also a source of super fatty acids Gamma Linolenic Acid, GLA, and Stearidonic Acid, SDA. Manitoba Harvest offers you this nutrition in 1000 mg softgels for your convenience. In addition to hemp seed oil, Manitoba Harvest produces hemp hearts and hemp protein powder. Suggested use: adults, 1 softgel capsule, 3 times per day, oral. Other ingredients: unrefined cold-pressed hemp seed oil, gelatin, glycerin, purified water, caramel powder. Warnings: sealed for your protection. Keep out of reach of children. Storage: for freshness, protect from heat and humidity. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.